That's all for what we know about the storm. And what our Institutum does is to catch in advance any time, event, or place that may cause the storm. For ourselves, we call it chaotic energy. According to the latest research materials, we infer that the storm that could reverse the world was caused by the original butterfly, flapping its wings in the ancient time.
The ancient time, you said? Is that the oldest of the oldest? Well, the time with no record.
I'm afraid it is. The butterfly created the prototype for the prehistoric chaotic energy, which became active and unstable through years of accumulation and evolution. Someone took advantage of its instability and created this storm that could reverse the world.
So the circles on your map, are they the markings of where the storm may occur this time? And the mark closest to us is now flashing with a red warning light.
Yes, because it's in the eye of the storm. In the Walden in Chicago, where your friends are now. Let us wish her the best of luck.
I finally got the answer. You were using the history to expedite the storm. Community conflicts, turbulent history, new technology, all of these may lead to the storm. Since the last day of 1999, the world started to get reversed by the storm, one after another. Which past do you want to return? 50 years ago? A century ago? Or...
The past with the right order, of course. Well, I didn't expect a human lackey to understand what the right order is. Friends of the Walden all along, there is not much time for us. Ask yourselves, who will enlighten you of the impending doom but we, Manus Vindictae? The last 24 hours in your life, how are you going to spend them? To cry for your no longer valuable property? Lie to yourself that all this is not true? Or to take our mission to rebuild the world, extend your lives until you see the birth of a new order?
Put on the mask, and I won't get sifted out by the storm?
We will assure the safety of every one of us.
Please do not lie. You actually detained a human in your secret room.
So, your first mission to join us Manus is... These government lackeys who hide the truth of the storm from you, take them down.
Are you really joining this insurgent organization? He's using your fears.
Miss Sonetto, we are scared, but we are free. You know what I'm talking about.
The rioters are here. Be careful. There are so many of them.
Where are my bodyguards?
Miss Sotheby, we're here. We'll have you surrounded. Please stay inside.
Of course, Mr. Carson lied to me. Fine. It's time to show the power of our manor. Miss Sonetto, we are here to help.
Everyone else come with me. Let's break out.
We've been waiting for this moment. Let's go.
anyone else?
May the peace be with us. I believe in you.
They're just little games.
So long lives this, and this gives power to thee.
Left hand up. Now right hand up. Don't touch my bag! Cartier. Tiffany's. Start me up.
Forgive me, will you?
Left hand up. Now right hand up.
It's alright. My sword sharp.
They're just little games.
I know them all, and this is an alien city.
Woohoo! Release! Don't touch my bag! Cartier, Tiffany's! Start me up!
Sorry, I did it on purpose. Depict the world I have never seen before. I believe in it. Depict the world I believe in you.
Are you ready to be blinded?
Each moment, now night. So long lives this, and this gives power to thee.
Are you ready to shake? Woohoo! Release! Cartier.
My sword sharp.
They're just little games.